Apple stands at a pivotal juncture, gearing up for what could be its most significant event in recent memory amidst a slew of challenges. The stage is set for its annual Worldwide Developers Conference commencing Monday, with widespread anticipation for an announcement regarding a partnership with OpenAI, the brains behind ChatGPT. The tech giant is poised to unveil a suite of generative AI tools slated to integrate into its mobile operating system. The move into AI represents a strategic leap that could catalyze iPhone sales and service growth in the face of prolonged device upgrade cycles and economic uncertainty, particularly in key markets like China. Concurrently, Apple navigates regulatory scrutiny in Washington while contending with Nvidia's recent ascendancy in market capitalization. Apple CEO Tim Cook underscored the significance of generative AI in a recent earnings call, foreshadowing imminent revelations. The company's traditional approach of meticulous research and development is now pressured by the swift adoption of generative AI, compelling a faster integration into its flagship products. Analysts like Dan Ives foresee AI as the harbinger of a transformative era for Apple, reshaping its product ecosystem and service offerings. So the impending event promises a deep dive into Apple's AI initiative, rumored to be dubbed Apple Intelligence and exclusive to select devices. Siri, Apple's virtual assistant, is poised for a quantum leap with integration of OpenAI's latest ChatGPT 4o model, potentially transforming it into an adept iPhone chatbot. The implications extend beyond Siri, heralding AI-powered features that streamline tasks like email drafting and content retrieval. As generative AI becomes the linchpin of user interactions, Apple's ecosystem is poised for a seismic shift, with AI seamlessly woven into apps like Maps and iPhoto. While Apple's collaboration with OpenAI signals innovation, it also raises questions about data privacy and regulation, underscoring the need for transparency in AI partnerships. Privacy and security remain paramount concerns, echoing Apple's long-standing commitment to safeguarding consumer data, an ethos likely to resonate in Monday's announcements. Moreover, expectations loom large for updates on Apple's Vision Pro mixed reality headset, positioned as a catalyst for enterprise innovation. Generative AI could unlock new frontiers of immersion, amplifying the headset's appeal across industries like education and healthcare. As Apple charts its AI-driven future, the stakes are high, balancing innovation with responsibility in an increasingly interconnected world.